How to make money on Upwork as a wedding photographer. Hey guys, welcome to this new video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can make money using this platform. So let's get started by clicking on the get started button. And here, make sure to join as a freelancer. Click on apply as a freelancer. Then you proceed to fill in the usual information. Then click on create my account. For me, I'm going just to log in. I've already created my account. So here I'm just going to log in, continue with email, enter the password, then log in. And here you will proceed to create a new profile. So you'll fill the usual information like the date of birth, the address, but this is the last step of creating the profile. So let's go back to start from the beginning, to start from the first step. And this is the first step. So let's get started. Click on get started. And here you have a question and you have three answers to choose from. You can choose the answer that fits your situation. Then click on next. Same thing with the other question. What's your biggest goal for freelancing? Choose the answer that fits your situation. Then next. And here for these options, make sure to choose them all, even the third one. They will all help us. Then click on next to create a profile. And here you have three options to choose from. If you want to import from LinkedIn, or you want to upload your resume if you have it in your desktop, if you have it in a file in your desktop, or if you want to fill it out manually, it will take less than 15 minutes. So let's go and fill it out manually. Click on start a new profile, and here you enter your skill. Then click on next to add your experience. Click on the plus button to add your previous work experience. Same thing with education as well. You can add your education history in here. And after that, you'll proceed to add in the languages that you can speak and write. So English here is a must. You cannot work in this platform without English. And here you choose your level in that language. For me, it's conversational. And here you add other languages. So for me, I'm going to add two more. My native language, which is Arabic, and the language I studied in school, which is French. And here my level is native and my level is basic. Then click on next to add your skills. So here you can enter maximum 15 skills, and we have here some suggested skills for us like wedding. And here we can go with photographer as well. Photography. Let's see if you can find something else. Event photography. Photography, model, nature, street, studio, travel, digital, fashion, product, within photography. And then click on next to write an overview. So here you write a bio to tell the world all about yourself. And this is an example of a bio. As you can see, a small text and some bullet points. So guys, in order to enter a good bio for your profile, you will just need to go to ChatGPT, enter I'm a photographer looking, or I'm a photographer, give me a bio for my Upwork profile, and you will get a very good bio for your profile. You will just need to add some personal information to that bio, make some adjustments to it, and make it customized for you, and then you will just copy and paste it in here. For me, I don't want to make the video too long for you, so I'm going just to take this bio and enter it in the bio field. Then click on next to choose your categories. So here usually they suggest some category for us or some service, but today we will need to look for it ourselves. So here let's see the categories we have. I think we will find it in the design and creative section, and here we have photography. That's our category. Then click on next to set your rate. So here let's enter $40 per hour. Then click on next to add your photo and location. So here you fill the usual information, date of birth, country and address. And for the profile picture, make sure to show clients the best version of yourself. It must be an actual photo of you. Logos, clip art, group photos and digitally altered images are not allowed, so keep that in mind, guys. And after you're done with setting up your profile, I'm going to show you how you can improve it. So here I will need to log out to go back to the main page to show you how you can improve your profile after creating it. So basically the idea is that we're going to search for the people that are doing the same skill like ours in this platform, and we're going to find the highest earner amongst them and see how is he talking about the skill, what is he talking about, how much he's getting paid hourly, and try to recognize the things that are working for him and try to imply that in our profile. So the first one we have here is 80 grand. Let's see if we can find more. I think 80 grand is the highest that someone earned in this skill. 20 grand, 30, not enough, 10. Let's check the third page. So yeah, the 80 is the highest earner. So make sure to do as I said, see what is working for him and try to imply that in your profile. And in order to find work, guys, in this platform, go to find work, click on find the work for your skills, and here you can enter your skill and you will see all of the listed jobs that are looking for your skill. So that's it, guys, for today's video. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to my channel and share the video with your friends.